A very good day to Dr. Nur Hashima. My name is Charaleka Raghu. I am representing Group 17 and 18. The title of our group is RoboSTEMHub.com. So today I would like to present about the webpage that I've already prepared. I will be explaining my part, which is the homepage. This is the homepage of RoboSTEMHub.com. I've given this homepage a title which is Learn to Code, Build and Automate with Arduino. We have these three types of levels enlisted in the homepage, which is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. For beginners, we use LEDs, buzzer, obstacle avoidance, and then for intermediate, we use Bluetooth robot and line following. Also for advanced, we use IoT robots and AI navigation. We have three types of kits provided for the students or the users. The first one is Arduino Starter Kit, which includes UNO board, LEDs, breadboard, resistors, and sensors. It is perfect for learning the basics of electronics and coding. The next we have Robot Car Kit, which comes with chassis, motors, and wheels, and Arduino motor drivers. Robot Car Kit is great for hands-on robotics and motion control. The next, we have sensor module bundle, which includes ultrasonic, IR, flames, and temperature sensor. This is used for automation, detection, and smart robot projects. Next, we have this Inquire Now button placed in the next section. The users can click this button to when the users click this button, they will be directly directed to the kit and product and kit showcase section where there will be more information about these three kits. And then we are happy to let you know that we are in collaboration with UTEM, the UTEM Robotics Club, STEM outreach in school, and mini robotics challenges. We also promote technical education for all. We proudly support UTEM's mission to bring robotics learning to every student and schools across Malaysia. There is another section for kit orders. If anyone is interested in our workshop and kit orders, they can kindly fill up the Google form that we have produced. And we offer workshops, school programs, and custom bundles for all levels. For further details, you can email us at info@robostemhub.com or WhatsApp us to the number provided and follow us on social medias at robostemhub.com.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dingin bin Ali. I want to present about my part is Arduino Robotic Learning. Okay. Welcome to Arduino Robotic Learning. Okay. We will learn about Arduino. Okay. It many type of Arduino. It can be Uno, Nano, and so on. Okay. What is Arduino? Okay. We learn about what is meaning of Arduino. Okay. Arduino has become foundation of electronic resources. Okay, a common object complex logic device. Okay, before we use this board, we must build some coding to board to work how the works begin. Okay, it can be used of student, programmer, and professional and others. All right. Have gathered around this open source platform. It can be C++ or C or Python, but yeah, Python or Java. But Arduino IDE can be used lah. Okay. The contribution has been calculated into a ridiculous amount knowledge that can be achieved that very helpful to beginner and also to the skill. So it can use to skill our student can be more effort to learn about this learning outcome. Okay. Arduino was conceived at the Ivrea Interaction Design Institute to spin up prototyping, trying get a substitute without a foundation in electronic programming. When it reach when it reach about to change the adapt to new needs difficult. Alright. So differentiating it from simple. Okay, simple. The board is very simple. It's simple like 8-bit output input or 16-bit output input like that. Itu a product of IoT application suitable for wearables, 3D printing and embedded environment. Okay. It's also is specific needs to somewhere software is also open source and spread through user contribution around the world. Okay. So the it's but two type of Arduino. The famous the user use is like Uno and Nano. Alright. Okay, we learn about what is benefit of Arduino. Yes. The benefit most benefit is inexpensive. Inexpensive is like compared to our money. Like in Malaysian, it's set around 20 ringgit below. In like London, Australia, it can be $15 or for less than $15. Okay, it can be relative inexpensive compared to other microcontroller platform. It's very cheapest microcontroller when you use Arduino boards. Alright. Cross platform. Cross platform is very nice because it's very simple platform. It's like Arduino software IDE. It can be run Windows, Macintosh, OS, or Linux operating system. Most microcontroller system are limited Windows. Like that. It's also simple, clear programming environment. Easy to use for beginner yet flexible enough for advanced user to take advantage as well. Okay, so it also open source and extensible software. The Arduino software is published as open source tool. It can be expect C++ or C language. Why? It's similar to can add every RC code directly into your Arduino program if you want to build some robots coding. So it's all very clear what I want to say of benefit of Arduino ID. Okay, you all? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.
My name is Komli Dotrov Tanaraj. I want to present about the comparison of Arduino boards. Arduino boards are widely used in electronics and programming due to their simplicity, versatility, and affordability. They serve as an excellent entry point, and beginners offer robust options for advanced users. These comparisons explores various Arduino boards categorized by the level, beginner, and advanced. So let's we see the difference between difference between the beginner and advanced Arduino board. Beginner Arduino is easy to use while the advanced Arduino board is slightly difficult to use. If we see by the price, the beginner one is more cheaper than the advanced one. And then the beginner Arduino board can use Arduino IDE only, while the advanced one can use Arduino IDE or more complex IDE. The beginner one have moderate in and output pins, and the speed also was basic, but the advanced Arduino board have high number of in and out pins, and the speed is much higher compared to the beginner Arduino board. In beginner Arduino boards, we can use battery or USB, while the advanced one we can may need regulated by the power supply. So this is the some of the beginner Arduino boards. The first one is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is the most popular and user-friendly board. It is widely recommended for educational and prototyping purposes, featuring a well-documented design and a large support community. It offers 14 digital pin and 6 analog inputs. It is best suited for simple robotics, LED blinking, and sensor-based project. So this is the second one is Arduino Nano. The Nano is a compact and powerful board built for breadboard projects. It has similar functionality to the Uno, but comes in a smaller form factor, making it perfect for space constrained application. It is powered by a mini USB and ideal for variables and embedded projects where size is a concern. The third one is Arduino Leonardo. The Leonardo board stands out by featuring built-in USB communication. It has 20 digital input-output pins, 7 PWM channels, and 12 analog inputs. These boards can emulate a mouse or keyboard, making it suitable for human interface devices. Projects such as custom keyboards, game controllers, and interactive art installations. So now let's we see the advanced version of Arduino boards. There are three types of boards. It is MKR Arduino, which is MKR Arduino, Arduino Uno, and the last one is Arduino Portenta C33. The MKR series is known for its Wi-Fi, low power, and secure connectivity features. It is suitable for IoT applications, including home automation, data logging, and industrial monitoring. This board is with more pins and can run on battery power, making it perfect for remote or wireless solution. And then Arduino Uno is combines the easiest of Arduino with the power of Linux. It has both a microcontroller and microprocessors on the same board. It supports Wi-Fi and Ethernet and can communicate with the web, APS, and external databases. This makes it ideal for cloud-connected applications, network communication, and remote device control. Finally, the Portenta C33 is designed for industrial IoT, machine learning, and high-performance applications. It supports real-time data processing, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple secure protocols. The board is excellent for professional projects requiring real-time analytics, robotics, and edge computing. So, in conclusion, choosing the right Arduino boards depends on the user's level of experience and project requirements.
Hello, my name is Nur Aika Srindaviti Muhammad Sofian, matrix number B122310175. And here is my section for the RoboSTEMHub.com assignment project. So my section is the learning level and modules. I was tasked to do the front page, the beginner page, and the intermediate page. So basically, the first thing first is uh first I must show you this is an example that we have been given on what the page should look like. See? Level and modules. And then here's the description for the beginner, intermediate, and the advanced level. So these are the two pages that I was tasked to do. And the front page, of course. So here's the front page. Uh, Fortunately, I did have to forego the patterns since it might have made the section look a little bit more cluttered. So I went for something a bit more simple. But I did actually get this picture of this banner, and I used the stock photos for each of the sections for like beginner, intermediate, and advanced, alongside adding a brief description for each of the sections, like here for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So next is the beginner section. Here is the banner that I used, and then here's the title, the new level modules for beginner, and here is the beginner projects. This is the brief description and the beginner projects. So here is a brief description of each of the projects, what it teaches, and what it is used in. See, such as LED blinking, buzzer project, speed sensor, and obstacle avoidance car, gives a brief rundown on each of the projects. My next part is the intermediate level. Here's the banner that I talked about in my progress video, and also the brief description that I took from this, same as the beginner level previously. I took here's like the brief description and the projects that is in the intermediate level, the line following robot, Bluetooth control, server multi projects, and data logging. And here is also the brief descriptions of each project and what it can be applied in, so that it can teach you how to use the Arduino at an intermediate level, same as the previous one. And that is it from my section. Thank you for watching.
Okay, now on to talk about the advanced learning levels and modules. As learners progress in robotic systems, they naturally seek more complex and impactful projects. The advanced level modules in Arduino based robotics are designed to meet that need by pushing the boundaries of innovation. These modules challenge users to not only build robots but also connect them to the internet, integrate intelligent system and prepare them for real world tasks and contests. This is the key projects. The first one is uh, IoT robot. In this module, learners will create robots that are connected to the internet and capable of cloud-based operations. The second one is autonomous navigation. This project involves building robots that can move and make decisions without human input. The third one is AI integration. Here, robotics meets machine learning. In this module, students integrate computer vision and basic AI algorithms into their robots. These robots can identify objects, respond to voice commands, or even recognize faces. This project introduced learners to real world AI application in robotics, surveillance, and human robot interaction. The fourth one is competition robots. Learners design and develop robots intended for competition like RoboRace. These robots must meet strict performance criteria, navigate obstacles, and often work in real time scenarios. So, by completing the advanced level modules, learners will gain experience in building internet connected robotic systems, and they also understand and can apply autonomous navigation and AI techniques. They also develop real-time reactive robotic system, and they also can be prepared to participate in robotics competition, and they learn how to integrate various technologies into cohesive multifunctional systems.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naras bin Ahmad Rizwan and I will present my progress, which is product and kit showcase page. So the first one we will see that explore the Arduino kits and tools, which is we have 3 different level and also we have sell some component. This is the template and some example for the project based on the level. Then we also have some special bundle or discount to encourage viewer to buy more than one things to get a better price for it. And if they have anything to ask, which is like the quotation or some component that doesn't know that we have, they can contact us by clicking the button. Okay, that's all for me.
Good afternoon, doctor. Today I will be presenting the testimonial pages of the website. For this page, I include 3 fictional feedback videos from different participants. First is youth engineering students. In this video, youth engineering students share their experience of the program and they talk about how the program benefit to them and also give suggestions for the improvement. Second is school teachers. This video features school teachers who have used Arduino kits in their classroom. They explain how the kits help us to solve real-world problem and how the technology connect to real-life applications. Third one is STEM camp participants. In this video, participants from the STEM camp share their experience working with robotics, coding, and robot being using the Arduino kits. All the videos are provided by Dr. Hakim and has been attached to the website. You can see the video right here. The second video is feedback from the school teachers. The third one is feedback from the STEM camp participants. So yeah, that's all my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ashraf Dina Benitris and my metric number is B12241004. So I want to present about my page and my parts to website RoboSTEMHub. So this is my part and UTEM connection is I do this my part which is UTEM connection. So this is UTEM connection page and have 2 content to I present to you. So this is a header and yeah, this is UTEM Technical Malaysia Melaka and this link to go to website UTEM Melaka. So we have 3 content to connection from UTEM Melaka. So this is a UTEM Robotic Club. So our student member actively participate in UTEM Robotic Club, competing in national and international competition. The club provide mentorship and resource for students to develop advanced robotic project. Recent achievements include first place in the 2022 National Robotic Challenge and representation at the Asian Robotic Competition. So the second contest is Mini Robotics Challenge at secondary school. So we organize annual robotic challenge for secondary school students across Malacca, sponsored by UTEM's Faculty of Engineering. This event introduced young students to robotic and STEM careers. The 2023 challenge attracted over 200 participants from 30 schools with winner receiving scholarship to UTEM. And the last content for my page is Community STEM Outreach. Together with UTEM, we conduct free workshop and maker fairs in underserved communities. This program aims to make robotic education accessible to all. Our 2022 to 2023 outbreak reached over 1,000 students in rural areas, with many continue to pursue STEM subjects. So this is my part from presentation for my page, UTEM Connection. Thank you.
A very good morning. I would like to bid to everyone, especially Dr. Hashima here. So my name is Shakti Priyatanabalan and I'm from BERC section 1-2. So I would be presenting regarding the assignment that we were assigned. The topic that we were given is about RoboSTEM. So the website that we have created is RoboSTEMHub.com. So without further ado, let me just share the web page that we have created. So as you guys can see here, I was assigned to create the web page of training and generate inquiry. So as you can see, this is the main web page. The web page is this is the part that I was assigned. So training and generate inquiry. So if you can see here, it's more like it's designed in where there is a Google form attached to the website itself. So they are just one click away to just fill up the Google Forms. So this Google Form is purely to get to know the individuals in which are they interested in. For example, if they are interested in the workshops that we are going to have or the kit orders. So this is a Google form, the example of the Google form. So we have asked their name, their emails, which school or constitution they are working on, and everything. So for the inquiry section, meanwhile, for the inquiry section, they could contact us through the button. So this button is just one tap away for them to just call us or just email us or anything. And this is a WhatsApp number that we have already given. So we have made sure that everything is easier for them to reach out to us. And for more details, they can always call. So the mobile number is also given, email is also given. And for social media, we have already given them the Facebook and also Instagram. The reason why Facebook and Instagram is mainly given here for more details is because Facebook and Instagram is a social media platform that can be reached to everyone at any time. So, and it's very, very popular, especially during this era. So that's why it's a Facebook and Instagram it's given here. So this is how I have designed the page for the section that I was assigned to. So that's all from me. Thank you.